Okay, so I've not really vlogged any of the day so far, but it's my very first day tutoring. Quickly stopped in Primark to get myself a coat because it's cold and I didn't have enough space in my rucksack to pack one from London. But just wanted to vlog to say how nice it is to be back in Nottingham. I used to live in Cripps for 2 years, so great to be going past there. And also talking about how sort of weird it is to be a tutor for the first time. It's interesting because I've sort of got the first day of a new job nerves, but I also know that, you know, as a tutor, people are going to be looking up to me for advice, and especially as somebody who's young, I want to portray that professionalism and that sense of, don't worry, I know I'm young, but I can still help you here. So it's going to be an interesting one to manage. First day of being a tutor is complete. Wow, what a sentence to say. I'm really sorry for the traffic noise. I'm literally walking on my way back from the university now. What a first day, really enjoyed it. So it wasn't the standard sort of tutorial day, it was a dad's day, so DAD, design and architecture day, something like that, design and architecture day. So this is where students from each unit presented their work from last semester. Just great to see the students' work. I think really helpful for students to go to those things, as well as me as a tutor. From my perspective, I've not seen their work yet from this year, so it was great to sort of see what the standards are like. All fantastic. Then, I guess, what was really nice is to navigate that sort of tutor relationship that I have. So, you know, walking into the EEC, which is the main space where people at Nottingham receive presentations in the morning. Anyway, I'm walking into that this morning as a tutor. That was really, really interesting. I just sort of stood up, spotted some tutors that I recognised from my time here a few years ago, and just said hi. I was like, I'm a new tutor here, how are you guys? And I think just going in with the confidence, I am a tutor, I do know what I'm doing, I am going to stand up and have a conversation. That was definitely the right strategy. Then in the afternoon, sat down with Niels, who is my the co-head of the unit that I'm going to help with, Unit 2C, and we just started talking about strategies for this term, sort of how we're going to run the semester, how to make the most out of the fact that there are 3 tutors now, and how we're going to try and bring some excitement to the days. I'll show an inset of my notebook here, but it's just sort of making notes, sharing ideas. So great to strategize, think about how I can help, and of course I will be doing what I can to share this process with you. And any presentations that I give as a tutor, I will aim to also upload, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll aim to upload some form of that information either on my Instagram or on my YouTube. So if you're a current student, in particular if you're a current student at Nottingham, hopefully this will enable the advice that I give to my unit to also be applicable to you, and then by me uploading it you will be able to benefit from that information too. So yeah, stay tuned. I think I'm going to try and do a couple more vlog style quick videos, a bit more chatty like this, but I will also be doing some more sort of sit down formal videos as well. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for listening to this. This has been a bit chaotic on my way back from university, but yeah, thank you for listening, really appreciate it. Do keep on saying hi to me if you're in Nottingham. It's great to see you guys. You're always so positive, you always bring a smile to my day, so thank you. Catch you on the next one. Bye guys.